Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.2 Understanding Quadrilaterals. Okay, this is the name of chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals. Today we solve exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Find the x in the following figure. So this figure you can see x 125, 125. This is a triangle and all these angles which are given are exterior angles. Okay. So such type questions you can solve two way. First way is that you find interior angle. We find the interior angles. This is a straight line and this is exterior angle and this okay, and this is 125 degree and sum of both angles is 180 degree. If you subtract 180 degree, okay, 125 to 180 degree, we have obtained here 55 degree. Also here this is straight line, clear, and the sum of both angle is 180 degree, clear. If you subtract 125 degree from 180 degree, you obtain 55 degree. Also here it's become, this is straight line, so this angle becomes 180 degree. So this is x angle, x, so this is a 180 degree minus x, clear. And the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so sum 55 plus 55 plus 180 degree minus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is the first way to find the value of x. And second way is that sum of exterior angle of a polygon, sum of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so sum is this plus this plus this is equal to 360 degree. And find the value of x. Here you can also this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Okay, so this angle become 90 degree. Okay, 60 degree, 70 degree and x degree. So we find the value of x, clear. So we know that the sum of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. So plus is x plus 90, this is becomes 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70. Okay, this is equal to 360 and find the value of x. So you will use here the formula sum of exterior angle, sum of measure of exterior angle of a triangle is 360 degree and find the value of x, clear. Let's see how to find it. This is a formula for exterior angle. The sum of measure of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So here you can see in first part the exterior angle is 125, 125 and x. So here we find it 125 sum of exterior angle. So next sum exterior angle is 125 plus x is equal to 160 degree, clear. Now 125 plus 125 is equal to 250 degree, clear, plus x is equal to 360 degree. Okay, we transfer 250 degree to right hand side, then we obtain here x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. Okay, now ax is equal to 110 degree. Clear? The value of x is 110. Okay, see this figure. This is given figure. Exterior angle is given. F is also exterior angles. Okay, so we know that the sum of measure of all the exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. So we sum 125 plus x is equal to 360. Okay, so in this way we obtain x is equal to 110 degree. Clear? Now part B. Let's see. This is the figure B. Exterior angle is given 70 degree, x degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, and also 90 degree. Okay, here you can see this is a 90 degree because this is a straight line. This is 90, so it is also 90. Okay, clear? This is symbol of 90 degree. So here is also 90 degree because this is a straight line. Okay, so we find the value of x in this figure. Okay, so first we sum of all exterior angle which is given in this figures, and this is equal to 360 degree. Clear? Sum of measure of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so first we sum all the given exterior angle. So this is first x degree. Okay, after this 90 degree, and next exterior angle is 60 degree. After this 90 degree, and last is 70 degree, is equal to 360 degree. Clear? This is given, we know that, and the sum of measure of all exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so this is a exterior angle. Sum it. So first write x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70. Okay, so it's become 15, 150, 150, 240, 240, 310. Okay, so it's become 310 degree is equal to 360 degree. Clear? Now we write, we transposing this 310 to right hand side, so we obtain 360 degree minus 310 degree. Clear? So x is equal to 360 minus 310. This is equal to what? Tell me. 50 degree. Clear? So value of x is we obtain 50 degree. Okay, so we find the value of x. So in this figure, first you sum the given exterior angle. We know that the sum of measure of all the exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. So here we are given 5 exterior angles, so we sum it and find x plus 310. This is equal to 360 So in this way we find the value of x. Okay, the value of x is 50 degree. Now we are going to solve question number 2 of this exercise 3.2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon. Side 9 side and the 15 side. 9 sided polygons and the 15 sided polygons are given. We find exterior angles. Okay, so polygon is regular 9 sided polygons and the regular 15 sided polygons. We find the exterior angles. So exterior angles is equal to we discuss the sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 degree. Sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so we find exterior angles of a regular polygons. So exterior angles is equal to 360 degree by number of side. Okay, so here number of side is equal to 9 and 15. If we divide 360 degree by 9, we obtain exterior angles. Okay, let's see how to solve it. Here this is a formula to find exterior angle if number of sides are given. Okay, so exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by number of side. Okay, so here 360 degree and number of side is 9 in first part. Okay, clear? So 9. So 40 times. So what is the exterior angle? 40 degree. Okay, so this is a formula to find exterior angles if number of side is given. 360 by number of sides. Okay, 360 is the sum of measure of all exterior angle of a polygons. Sum of 360 is sum of measure of all exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so number of side, if you divide number of side, okay, in 360 degree we obtain exterior angles. Okay, if you need to find interior angle, so interior angle plus exterior angle is 180 degree. Okay, if you subtract from exterior angle from 180 degree, if you subtract exterior angle from 180 degree, then you find the interior angles. Okay, now second part of this question. Okay, so here number of side is 15, so we find the exterior angle. Okay, number of side is given 15, so we find exterior angle. Is equal to 360 by number of side. Okay, 360 by number of side is 15. Okay, you can see this 360, this is the sum of measure of all exterior angle of a polygon. किसी भी polygon के exterior angle का sum है. This is number of side. Okay, so if you divide 360 degree by 15, we obtain 24. Okay, 24. Clear? In this way you can see here we find exterior angle of both part. Exterior angle of first part is 40 degree and exterior angle of second part is 24 degrees. Okay, this is our question. Find the measure of each exterior angles of a regular polygons of 9 sided and of 15 sides. Okay, this is formula. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by number of sides. Okay, so in this way, in first part number of side is 9, so exterior angle is equal to 360 by 9 is equal to 40 degree. And in second part number of side is 15 is given, so exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by 15 and we obtain 24 degree. Okay, and suppose if you find interior angle, okay, so interior angle is equal to is equal to 180 degree minus exterior angle. Clear? Okay, interior angle is equal to 180 degree minus exterior angle. Okay, sum of interior angle is depend the number of side of a polygons. Okay, but sum of exterior angle of all polygons is 360 degree. Sum of exterior angle of all polygon is 360 degree, but sum of interior angle of any polygon is depend of number of side, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, is this in this formula we find the sum of interior angles of any polygons where n is the number of side, but sum of exterior angles of any polygons is 360 degree. Okay, so this is constant for all polygons. Sum of exterior angle is constant for all polygon, but sum of interior angle of any polygons is depend is the number of sides. Okay, so here n represent number of side, sides. Okay, this is formula to find sum of interior angle of any polygons, and this is a sum of exterior angles of all polygons. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 3. This is a question number 3 of exercise 3.2. Question 3 है, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Here exterior angle is given. Okay, so we find the number of side. Clear? We know that the sum of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Clear? And before this, in question number 2, you find the number of you find the exterior angles. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by number of side. Okay, but in this question you find number of side, so formula is number of side is equal to 360 degree by exterior angles. So here exterior angle is given 24 degree. Okay, so we use the formula number of side is equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angles, and the exterior angle is given 24 degree. Let's see how to solve this question number 3. Okay, this is a question. So you find number of side. Okay, so numbers of sides is equal to 360 degree by exterior angle. Okay, so here exterior angle is given 360 degree divided by 24 degree. Okay, so divide it how many times? 15 times. So we find the number of side is equal to 15. Clear? If we divide 360 degree by 24, so we obtained 15. 15 is the number of side of the regular polygon which exterior angle is 24 degree. Clear? I hope all of you understood. Okay, you learn this formula, number of side is equal to 360 degree by exterior angles, or exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by number of side. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 4. Question number 4 है, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? Okay, so we find the number of sides of the regular polygons, and here given the interior angles. But you know the number of sides of a regular polygon is 360 degree by exterior angle. Okay, what we know that number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree by exterior angle, but here given interior angle is 165 degree, but also we know that sum of interior angles and exterior angles is equal to 180 degree. So we use this formula to find exterior angles, and after this we use the formula of number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree by exterior angles. Okay, so let's see how to find the number of sides, how to solve these questions. Okay, so we find exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to angle is equal to 180 degree minus interior angle. Here you can see exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus interior angles. Okay, so here interior angle is given. What is interior angles? Interior angle is equal to 65 degree. Okay, so what is exterior angle? 180 degree minus 165, so it's become 15 degree. We obtain here exterior angle is 15 degree. Now we find the number of sides of regular polygons. Okay, so number of sides of regular polygon is equal to 360 degree by exterior angle. Okay, so number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree by exterior angle. So here exterior angle is given. We find the exterior angle. So 360 degree by 15 degree. So divide it. How many times? 15 to the 30. 2 times, and we obtain 60. So 15 for the 60. So 24. Okay. Number of side is 24. So this is your question. How many side does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? So we know that sum of interior angle and the exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus interior angle, and interior angle is given 115 degree. So 180 degree minus 165 degree is equal to 15 degree. Okay, and now number of side of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree by exterior angle. So we find exterior angle 15 degree. So in this way we find the number of side of a regular polygon is 24. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. Now we are going to discuss question number 5. Question number 5 of this exercise 3.2. Is it possible, part A, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? If 22 degree divides 360 degree, then it is possible, but here 22 is not divisor of 360, so this is not possible. Okay, so our answer is no. It is not possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree, because 22 is not divisor of 360 degree. Okay, if you divide 360 by 22, so 22 not divide exactly. Okay, so our answer is no, because 22 is not divisor of 360 degree. Okay, and B part, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? So it the given angle is 22 degree. Okay, so here question told that suppose this is an interior angle. Okay, 22 degree interior angle. So can it means 22 degree an interior angle of a regular polygon? So first we find exterior angles. Okay, so exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus interior angle. So suppose here given interior angle is 22 degree. So exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus 22. So exterior angle is equal to 158 degree. Okay, so 158 is not divide 360 degree. Okay, so our answer is no, because 158 degree is not divides 360 degree. Okay, let's see solution of this question. So solution of the first part: is it possible to have a regular polygons with measure of each exterior angle as a 22 degree? So we know that sum of measure of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree, but here given exterior angle is 22 degree. So we find number of sides. So you can see here 22 is not divisor of 360. We obtain 16 whole 4 by 13, which is not natural numbers. Okay, because this is not divided perfectly, so this is not natural number, so it is impossible, this is not possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as a 22 degree. Okay, and the next part B, can it be an interior angles of a regular polygons? Why? Okay, so no, because if you find the exterior angle, this is suppose this is interior angle. Okay, so we find the exterior angles 180 degree minus interior angle, so you have obtained 150 degree here. Okay, which is not divisor of 360. Okay, 150 is not exactly divides 360, so this is no, this is not possible. Okay, I hope all of you understood. This is our solution. Thank you for watching.